Welcome to Osariwili YouTube channel, Recipe Writing. Remember to tap the subscribe button in order to get these awesome videos. Now today, looking at recipe writing, we'll define recipe as an instruction or a set of instruction on how to prepare a meal. And now recipes, just like other functional writing ideals, have particular register that must be used in order to garner the full marks. Now, a recipe should have a title. It should have an introduction that briefly describes the meal, and then the ingredients, and finally the method of preparation. Now, the particular terminologies used in recipe that we'll look at later on have to be included when talking about the methodology of preparing the food. So in the title we'll have something like how to prepare mashed beans for four. Four includes the number of people who will eat the mashed beans prepared. Now we have an introduction that talks about the meal, and here we say that beans is a common African dish rich in proteins. And then we have the ingredients. Ingredients, we have a quarter kg beans, 4 mashed potatoes, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of water, 1 chopped onion, and a crushed paper. Now, the quantities have to be mentioned in order to quantify how the meal will be made. After that, then we go to the methodology. This is the place where you must mention the vocabulary that is unique with recipe writing. And in the first one, we have soak the beans in water for an hour. And then we have cook them until they are soft. Mash the beans, that's the recipe terminology, until the desired texture is achieved. Then heat gently. Again, heat is based on recipes. Number 4, we have melt the oil and add chopped onions, and then add a pinch of salt. A pinch there stands for the vocabulary used in recipe. And then let it simmer. Simmer again is another one, for a while. And after writing the recipe, you have to include how it is served. And here we have the words serve while hot with bananas. On this other section, there are particular vocabulary or terminologies that are used in recipe writing. For example, bake, barbecue, boil, buffet, casserole, chop, crush, defrost, dice, drain, fry, garnish, grate, heat, knead, marinade, mix, mince, microwave, oven, peel, roll, toast, salt, season, simmer, and many others. Now, if these particular terminologies are used in recipe writing, then the student can easily get full marks. Thanks for watching.